She sounds so excited, eh? So we're here with Meghan McIntyre, and I'm going to get the name wrong. I want to say North Springs. Yes! We're at North Springs Farm. Who's this?
Cora.
Hi, Cora.
This is Anna's pony that she shows on.
Nice. This is a cool down?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what kind of shows would she be in? Okay. What do the hunters do?
They show over fences.
Okay.
Kind of like figure skating. It's subjective. They jump 8 jumps. You're supposed to look smooth.
Yeah.
And pleasant.
Yes.
And mimic what you would see in the hunt field.
Oh, neat.
As opposed to the jumpers that jump over colored jumps.
And we're looking at height and...
Right. And they have time, and if they hit the jumps, they have penalties.
Okay, right. So they're timed, and then there's penalties for knocking them down. Now I remember. I have watched it, but...
Hunters are kind of boring, but everyone sort of starts there.
Okay. Now, how old's the pony, Meghan?
16?
That's a pony.
It's only 15.
That's still a pony?
Ponies aren't horses. They're like smaller horses.
Oh, it's size. It's not age.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, I hope I didn't insult anyone. No, I think she's okay. Hi. So how you enjoying co-op, hon?
Good.
Yeah?
Really good, yeah.
Not ready to go back to school yet? No?
No.
Next year.
Yeah.
Okay? September will be good, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good change.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to tap out here.
Alrighty.
We'll make you the YouTube video of the day, okay?
Okay.
All right.